Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I wanted to share a super quick Michaels haul and one item. Actually, this is not going to be a Michaels haul. This is going to be a crafty haul because I want to share with you guys two dies that I picked up from AliExpress, one mug from TJ Maxx, and then the rest of the stuff is from Michaels. So the first thing I found, which I've never seen, I don't know if it's new or maybe I've just never seen it. It's a cart topper by Recollections, and if you guys know, these are the carts that they sell that they look like the IKEA Razcogs at Michaels. Everybody has them. I have the mint green one, and now they have like little toppers, like desktops, to make it look like this. Isn't this cool? I'm gonna have to fix mine because mine has a bunch of trimming on top, so it kind of puffs out, so I don't think it's gonna snap on. But how cool is this, you guys? I got like the wood look, and I figured let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's like a little desktop. This is pretty cool. And then I guess you snap it on to the cart, and then you can like, it's like an extra storage extra storage space on top of your cart. I can't speak, you guys. Isn't that nice? And this was only 10 bucks and I got 40% off, and they had an additional 20, which was amazing. I got it for like 5 bucks. And next thing I got from Michaels were some stickers. I picked up these cute little pumpkin ones. All Halloween stuff is 50% off, so I took advantage. These are $2.49 and I got them for like $1.25. How cute are these? And I had picked up the white pumpkins. Give me 1 second. Actually, they're not here. I don't know where they're at, but the little white pumpkins, you guys know which one I'm talking about, that they're glittery and black. I picked 2 of those up last week when I picked up a storage container from Michaels, so that's why they're not here. But yes, you guys, I picked them up because they are beautiful. But I also picked up these cute little Halloween flowers. I picked up these spiders because I've been putting a lot of spiders on my projects and I'm running out, and I didn't have these, and for 50% off, why not? And they're kind of puffy, but like hard puffy, not soft puffy. I got these cute little witch fingers. If they would have had more, or like zombie, I don't know what they call them, but they look like little witch fingers to me. If they would have had more, I would have got them because these are so cute. I love how like dimensional they are. They just look super fun. I can't wait to put this on a project. I also got some cute little banners. These say tricks, treats, scary, and boo. And then the last ones I got are these cute little haunted houses, which are super fun. And then I also got these containers, and these are, you get 3 pieces. They're divider trays, and they're like $2.99. I got the mint green ones, and I missed out on the pink ones the first time I bought these, but I picked them up this time because that storage container that I purchased last week, these are perfect to fit in the drawers. So I thought that would be a great idea. And then let me show you guys the mug that I got at TJ Maxx. It's so cute. It's like a little mermaid with like this like holographic look. So cute. It was only $3.99 at TJ Maxx, and it's so cute, and I cannot wait to drink my coffee out of it. And then the last 2 things that I want to share with you guys are 2 dies that I picked up from AliExpress. And you guys know that I showed you on Instagram these super cute little snow globes that I made for Halloween. They are shakers. I love that sound. And you guys went bananas over them. And I found the die, but you guys, it's sold out. So I think Lawn Fawn, is it Lawn Fawn, has something like it. But these are the pieces that you get. If I find it down below, like in another seller, I'll definitely, not down below, if I find it, I'll post it down below so you guys can see. But it's meant for Christmas, and it has these little words. It says merry and joy, and then you get like little snowflakes, and then of course your snow globe, which I love the stitching. It's one of my favorite pieces, well, not pieces, one of my favorite things about it because of the little stitching. It looks super cute. I love it. So stay tuned for the tutorial on this, you guys, for my October series, because you guys are going to love it. And then I also picked up this one, which is 3 little ghosts. You get the large, medium, and the small one. And let me show you guys what the little big ones look like, the little cutouts. I like to back them with black, and it looks really cool with the little black eyes. So that's what they look like. And then the little tiny ones that come in the die set is this little one right here, which of course I distressed with Tim Holtz ink. But yeah, you guys, that is my super quick haul. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.